Look, we all know the story. Most of us love using Netflix. It's the ultimate cord-cutting play. They license lots of older programming to bring you in and then add in their own homemade brilliance to keep you hooked. Because they know what people want to watch, artificial intelligence, they can make some truly great stuff, like Stranger Things. The latest season hasn't even been out for a month, and already it's been watched by 40 million households. However, last night Netflix reported some truly heinous numbers. This has always been a subscriber growth story, but this time they didn't grow subscribers here in the U.S. They actually lost. That's the first time they've lost subs in the U.S. since 2011. The earnings are down year over year. Even International couldn't save them. Despite predicting that they'd sign up 5 million subs worldwide, they only signed up 2.7 million. Most important signups were particularly weak in areas where they raised prices, typically by 13 to 18%. I'm going to repeat that. Areas where they raised prices were particularly weak. Now, we've seen Netflix stumble before, especially maybe after a price hike, but not quite like this. In one fell swoop, Netflix went from easy money to hard money. In a single quarter, Wall Street went from sanguine to skeptical. So skeptical that the stock lost more than 10% of its value today. And for all I know, it could have more downside. Why? Well, I'll blame myself. I got it wrong. I believe Netflix was the ultimate bargain between the movies, the shows, the ability to binge. You can get a whole month of Netflix for less than the cost of a movie ticket. Throw in the candy, forget about it. So I figured people wouldn't blanch at a price increase. Yet that's exactly what happened here. We thought Netflix was the kind of company that could raise prices with impunity. If that's not the case, we need to take it out of the bin of consistency and put it in the bin of episodic and perhaps even, heaven forbid, dispensable. You see, until last night, Netflix was my go-to for entertainment, meaning I hadn't looked at my bill in years. I have no idea what I pay for Netflix. I mean, come on. I got my own funny picture up when they asked me who's watching. A few years ago, in preparation for interviewing the brilliant Reed Hastings, the CEO, I called customer service at Netflix at 2:30 a.m. to ask a question. I wanted to know what was my best bet for a movie about the Russians going from Stalingrad to Berlin to end the war in the East. And a very nice woman told me to watch a movie that was actually directed by Stalin. Wasn't bad. I mean, I will gladly double what I'm currently paying for Netflix, whatever the heck it is. But it turns out found out last time I'm not representative of the broader customer base. In other words, I no longer think that Netflix is like Costco or Amazon Prime or Spotify or Apple, all services people pay for without thinking about it. If it's not part of that club, you have to guess how many people are willing to shell out what they're paying. And if you have to guess, it's no longer easy money. It's hard.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.